The dancing girl Madhuri has wooed the audiences with Ded Ishqiya, and she continued to woo them more by paying them a visit in some Mumbai theatres. Surprising her fans in the hall, Madhuri answered all the questions and ours too. Let's take a look.
Begumpara of Mahmoodabad set out to town to meet and greet the commoners. Madhuri's surprise visit to the theatres charmed them all.
Hello, good evening everyone. Please sit down. Are you enjoying the movie?
Yeah. We came from Delhi.
Thank you so much.
And the charming actor herself looked quite happy with the response the film has received.
You look gorgeous.
Became better.
Sunny became better.
Madhuri, it succeeded. The film has won rave reviews. How do you feel now? Every day you get up and Ded Ishqiya has done so well. You hear about it all the time.
Yes, the word of mouth has been very, very important, and it always feels good when something that you've done does well, because not only you, everybody else has worked so hard on the project. Everybody has put a year of their life, in this project, and when it does well, of course, it gives you a great sense of achievement and accomplishment.
Absolutely, Madhuri. We've seen the movie, and your character is what stands out. You play quite a strong woman protagonist, and both you and Huma have a very important part in the film. So does that bust the myth of elder actresses sort of not garnering the attention and the audience in terms of the movies at the box office?
I've always maintained that age is just a number, and talent is what is important. And if you have talent when you're 10 years old, you'll always have it when you're 70, 80, 90, whatever age you are at. So it kind of brings forth that point that I've made. And of course, the women being very important in the movie is also a great thing, because lovely roles are being written for women, keeping their stature and everything in mind. And not only me, I think every character in this film has worked so well.
Madhuri, we see you again in a strong role with Gulab Gang, with Juhi. So is that something that you've kept in mind? I'm going to do strong women protagonist roles, after my run at the, at the box office. At this point in time in my career, I'm going to focus on these things.
Well, I don't know if it's been, yes, I wanted to always do good, powerful roles. Does not mean that the story has to go around me or whatever. Like when I did Ded Ishqiya, there are 4 characters who are important and very central to the theme. In Gulab Gang, there are 2 characters, Juhi and me, who are very central to the theme. So the roles are very well written, very powerful, and these are the kind of roles I would love to do in the future too.
That's not all. The fans demanded more from her favourite actress. Some shairi and a little nazakat from Begumpara.
सवार नो पलक अब्रुओं में खम कर दें, गिरे पड़े हुए लफ्जों को मोहतरम कर दें.
Madhuri's comeback sure has worked well with the audience.
All the best, and
Here's hoping that we get to see that $1 million smile more often on 70mm. With Saki Deshpande, Bureau Report for Headlines Today.